well, this is playing this thing today. We have no mouth and tongue. I need to do it today. You're kind of scared, yeah? Okay. You need the comments where somebody needs to get it too. Need to go in the dentist. Somebody needs to go in the dentist. So I have some sugar bugs, and I need to take a new tooth out, and I need to floss it and this. And I need to watch some more Play-doh to this today. And I need to do it because I need to get all sugar bugs out there. Now you're supposed to be done with dentist. Dentist is supposed to be nice. Okay? Well, this is be a cool video. Okay? Okay. I'll put that on my big video. Anybody? Hello, anybody? This is Play-doh time. It's what the messy over here. Moses done, and we're doing dentist today. We'll do some of these later, and we'll be all done tomorrow. We'll see you all in the comments, and we'll see anybody see. Anybody comments, please comment me. Anybody call me when I make a cool thing. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Hello, this is not working? This thing is not working, Mom. It's all done. Put that on.